I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb stories. Fashion. Before we start, here are some tips. First, watch and listen to the story. During the story, try to guess the phrasal verb meanings from the context. Next, answer the quiz questions after the story. Then, watch and listen to the story again so you can understand the verbs. After the second listen, there are explanations and examples. Finally, leave a comment below and practice. I'm your YouTube teacher. Fashion style. When getting ready for a party, Sarah likes to dress up in her favorite cocktail dress. However, if the dress code is more casual, she dresses down in a pair of jeans and a t-shirt. Before deciding on an outfit, she tries on different combinations and mixes and matches her clothing. Once she finds the perfect outfit, she's ready to get into her clothes and show off her style. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. Sarah likes to dress up in her favorite cocktail dress. What does dress up mean? Change clothes, wear formal clothes, wear accessories, wear a hat. That's right, it's B. Wear formal clothes. If the dress code is more casual, she dresses down. What does dress down mean? Take off clothes, wear formal clothes, wear informal clothes, wear accessories. That's right, it's C. Wear informal clothes. Before deciding on an outfit, she tries on different combinations. What does try on mean? Make clothes, test the fit of clothes, wear, shop for clothes. That's right, it's B. Test the fit of clothes. After she finds the perfect outfit, she gets into her clothes. What does get into mean? Dress informally, buy clothes, shop for clothes, put on clothes. That's right, it's D. Put on clothes. She likes to show off her style. What does show off mean? Show with confidence, share, hide, appear. That's right, it's A. Show with confidence. Let's apply it. Watch the video again with the definitions. Repeat the story with me to help you memorize. After, you can see more examples and write your own sentences in the comment section. Fashion style. When getting ready for a party, Sarah likes to dress up in her favorite cocktail dress. However, if the dress code is more casual, she dresses down in a pair of jeans and a t-shirt. Before deciding on an outfit, she tries on different combinations and mixes and matches her clothing. Once she finds the perfect outfit, she's ready to get into her clothes and show off her style. Examples: it's important to dress up for a job interview. On Fridays, we usually dress down at work. It's a good idea to try on shoes before you buy them. She struggled to get into her tight-fitting jeans. He likes to show off his new car to his friends. Phrasal verb extras. Dress up can also mean to disguise oneself as something or someone, like on Halloween. Dress down just means to dress casually. Try on is commonly used in shopping context, particularly for clothes and accessories. Get into can also mean to become interested in something. Show off often has a negative connotation, suggesting that someone wants to attract a lot of attention, but can also mean to show with confidence. Separation. We can separate some phrasal verbs. We have to memorize the verbs we can separate. This is a very difficult skill to learn, and there's no easy way except practice. It's best to repeat what you hear and hope to learn naturally. A great place to practice is the comment section. We can separate try on, try it on, show off, show it off. We can't separate dress up, dress down, get into. Extra examples. For the party, you should dress up as your favorite movie character. Will we ever be able to try clothes on digitally? I need to lose weight. I can't get into my old jeans anymore. He always shows off his cooking skills when guests come over. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.